And for this family of leisure-loving hippos, it's pool party season. They've got first dibs on the best bathing spot in the area. For the father, this interloper is about as welcome as a Band-Aid in a hot tub. Dad warns him to back off. Fighting a 2-ton rival would be exhausting. It could also be deadly. But if the rogue male steps into his pool, Dad has a simple choice: lose his family or fight. Dad may have to see off many more challengers before the season is over. But for now, victory deserves a lap of celebration. Yeah, still got it. It stirs the waters and stops the pools from stagnating. So even as the flood begins to subside, their fellow landscape engineers can be sure that hippo-flavored water is safe to drink.